Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best corner clamps that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Tong 90 degrees right angle adjustable corner clamp. Do you need the ultimate corner clamp to hold different items? Here is a set of 4 corner clamps you will get ideal for your needs. These corner clamps are highly versatile and convenient for holding woodworks, boxes, drawers, and picture frames among others. Besides this, they are medium-sized corner clamps that will hold boards of variable thickness of 5 to 22 meters, thus you can apply them for assembling boxes, drawers, and cabinets among others. Also, they are single-handed operated products that are simpler and easier to set up. Additionally, they are right-angled clamps to keep the items at 90 degrees plus available in most sizes to get what suits your corner. These corner clamps are crafted to serve longer from durable quality material, hence will withstand prolonged use. The products are highly versatile to use in corners and T-joints with variable thicknesses. At number 4. ZILONG 4PC's right angle clamp zinc alloy 90 degree corner clamp. Perfect to hold joints at a 90 degree angle. Can also be used for 45 degree sawing. This clamp is made of durable aluminum alloy with steel threaded vice screws and 2 countersunk mounting holes for permanent installation on the bench. High hardness, will not rust, great for DIY frames, tanks, cabinet, furniture, arts, crafts and so on. The 4PC's style 90 degrees angle clamp perfect for picture frame, small wood box, fish tank fixing, or woodworking reinforcement. Holds joints at a 90 degree angle for precise secure assembly, whether you're simply gluing or using fasteners. This miter-style clamp will hold stock firm and square at an exact 90 degrees. Made of aluminum alloy construction with steel screws, high hardness, will not rust. Independently adjustable jaws, allows clamping of different size, width work pieces. Advanced design. The design use of reinforced connection and material on diagonal connection part, which helps to prevent excessive force caused by breaking. At number 3. Qwork 90 degree corner clamp. It can be used to fix the part on the 90 degree corners. It can be used to fix the carton, cabinet and etc. Meet different thickness. This clamp can fit for different thickness of objects, such as wood. Design. With our ergonomic handle, you can hold this clamp in a comfortable way and will not tire for a long time using it. Package. Our package INCL. One piece of a clamp. 100% satisfied service. Enjoy a smooth and frustration-free experience with our 100% satisfied service in 1 month. It can be used to fix the part on the 90 degree corners. It can be used to fix the carton, cabinet and etc. This clamp can fit for different thickness of objects, such as wood. At number 2. 90 degrees positioning squares, 5.5-inch right angle clamp. Made of aluminium alloy, it will last for years. Anodized red surface, durable and resistant to corrosion, rust prevention. There are different holes for you to fixing, ensuring your work more convenient. Place a square in the corner of the 2 stock pieces you need to square and secure with a set of clamps. Beveled edges, easy to handle and won't damage fragile cutting edges. Designed to be clamped to boxes, picture frames, shelf cabinets, 90 degree weld and for outside corners. Finally at number 1. Frylr heavy duty 90 degree angle clamp. The durable right angle clamp, made of heat-treated aluminum alloy body and steel nut, sturdy and long-lasting. Adjustable rotary jaw to align and hold work pieces precisely. Allows 2 wood block of different thicknesses to be joined at a 90 degree angle. Maximum clamping range is approximately 2.68 inches, 68 millimeters. Can clamp materials like steel rod, metal tube, wood, thick glass, etc. Single handle is lighter to hold. The anti-skid strong rubber handle helps to sets up instantly. Set includes a corner clamp and a pair of gloves. Perfect for welding, framing, drilling, doweling, making cabinet, installing. Perfect for furniture, frame. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.